So I thought I was going to be able to wait until later on this week and do a big grocery haul where I go to Trader Joe's and Costco and get it all done. But we're having a potluck with our homeschool group tomorrow, and Autumn is also wanting to make some apple hand pies for celebrating the end of the second semester in her class. And so I just decided that we'll split it up and do Trader Joe's today and then try to get over to Costco sometime next week. So I've got my list, I've got Renee, and I've got Levi back there, and we're going to head in here to Trader Joe's and try to get through and get what we need. It is Sunday, about 11:30 a.m., and that's probably the worst time to try to shop at Trader Joe's, but it just turned out this is when we were able to do it. So we're going to put our heads down and try to get through and get all the stuff on our list. Look at all the pretty flowers and Christmassy ones. What's up there? Oh, you guys see some balls and decorations? Those are cool, huh?
What is that?
Always got to grab some of these.
Oh, there's a graham cracker. See?
There's a graham cracker?
Yeah, right there.
Oh. I know, those bananas look so tasty. I got some for you. Oh, we should get those. Autumn Glory. But they're more expensive. We'll get these. Gotta get pie crusts for Autumn's hand pies. We're gonna keep it simple by buying them frozen. We'll go ahead and get 2 just in case. So many fun Christmas things. Look at these candles, Renee. Aren't these pretty? And the green one. I love it. All right, Levi, you needed some raisins or something, didn't you? Some kind of dried fruit. Because you're all out. Let's see. Go ahead and get some of these. You like those. We also really love these cranberries that we got last time. Maybe we'll just grab a few more of those. You want some of those? Yeah? Okay. I know those look tasty. I know they do. We're gonna eat some at home. Let's go.
We found the kind of tree.
Let's see. Did we get everything here?
No.
I think we did. I think we did it. Is there anything else you need?
I made candy.
Oh, please. So many fun holiday items. We don't buy a lot of those, but they sure are fun to look at. Look at these. Hey, Renee, look at these. These are like chocolate-covered JoJo's. Amazing, huh? Yeah. So many yummy things. Renee found it. Renee found the meerkat, right? Good job. All right, go check the sample over here. They're so pretty. Try to show you everything we got here. I stocked up on tortillas to put in the freezer. I got 6 packs. Got 1 peanut butter to hold us until we get to Costco, a couple packs of hot dogs also to hold us until we get to Costco, and I'm going to try this seasoning blend that looks really good. I got the pie crusts for Autumn. I decided to try 3 of the maple chicken breakfast sausages. They used to carry some that are like this over at Costco that we really liked, but they haven't had them recently, so I decided to pick up some here, see if they're just as good. I got a pack of apples for Autumn for making the hand pies, and then 4 packs of cream cheese for the cheesecakes. Also, Autumn needed some brown sugar for her pies. We also got a few chips for a bunch of different kinds. We got the plantain chips that we like, and the sweet plantain chips we also like, which Levi wants to eat right now. Some vegetable chips and some plain potato chips. I got a handful of these chomp sticks that are easy to throw in my purse for snacks. And, oh, it's just these beef sticks. Yeah. And then 2 packs of pasta just to have on hand for when we need it. Of course, we got some bananas for Levi, of which he has already eaten one. I saw these and I thought I'd try them. They're like the cheese wisps that we've gotten at Costco before, but they're cheddar, which sounded kind of nice. And there were two different kinds. This one with black summer truffle, and then this one I guess is just plain cheddar. So I got 4 of those, 2 of each flavor. Then we got some raisins for snacking. I got 6 of the Greek yogurt tubs. I really like the Greek yogurt from Trader Joe's, the whole milk one. I just like the flavor of it better than some others that I've had. And we got a package of the sweetened dried cranberries because Levi was loving munching on these too. So they make easy snacks for him. They accidentally overcharged me for the hot dogs. They charged me for 4 of them when I only got 2, so they had to refund $12. So the total I spent was somewhere around $131. It really adds up when you shop at Trader Joe's. Hey Renee, did you get your lollipop?
I'm trying to eat the rest of the lollipop.
I see. Okay. Thanks for going grocery shopping with us. I hope you guys are having a real good week, and we will see you again in the next video. You say bye?